Coming to you live, Mud Dog Customs. Oh man. We got this one sprayed. We gotta hide that. We don't let them in the shop. Yeah, man. Got a little bit of orange peel in it. We're going to have to cut and buff it. Water, sand, and buff. It ain't too bad. You see that grainy? Yeah. Cut and buff it. It's been a long project. It had a lot of rust. A lot of rust. West Virginia truck. I think's where it come from. On the downhill side now. Get that 800 horsepower big block Ford he had built put in there. John Cossey heads. I think's what they call it. Man, it deals with a lot of Ford stuff. Yeah, man. Yeah, buddy. Mud Dog Customs, give me a like, subscribe, comment. Talk to you later.